we will guide you through how to create hexagon in AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by launching AutoCAD by double-clicking the AutoCAD icon on your desktop or selecting it from the Start menu. Open a drawing by clicking New to create a new drawing or Open to access an existing .dwg file. Set the drawing units by typing units in the command line, pressing Enter, and selecting the measurement type, unit format, and precision that match your project requirements. Click the Home tab and locate the Draw panel. Click the Polygon tool or type Polygon in the command line and press Enter. Enter 6 as the number of sides and press Enter because a hexagon has 6 equal sides. Specify the center point of the hexagon by clicking anywhere in the drawing area. Select Inscribed in Circle when AutoCAD asks how you want to define the polygon. Specify the radius by entering a value such as 50 and press Enter to create the hexagon. Review the hexagon and confirm that all 6 sides are evenly arranged around the center point. If you need a specific orientation, use the Rotate command to adjust the hexagon so one side or one corner faces the desired direction. If you need a different size, select the hexagon and use the Scale command to increase or decrease its overall dimensions. Use the Offset command if you need to create an inner hexagon for a border, wall thickness, or additional design detail. Add dimensions by using the Dim command to show the side length, overall width, or other required measurements. Add a label using text if the hexagon needs a name, number, or other identification. Save the drawing by clicking Save or pressing Ctrl+S to preserve the completed hexagon.